Hello guys, welcome to our tech news. Today I am going to give you about latest technical update. So let's start. Number 1. Apex Legends. EA Sports has confirmed a mobile version of Apex Legends is coming. Apex Legends Battle Royale game has over 70 million global players. The next update is about Realme Buds Q True Wireless Earbuds. It is launching in India on today. It is confirmed to be priced under Rs 2000. Number 3. Corohook. It is a device that is created to fight against COVID-19. It is a plastic device. It helps in defending you from the virus by keeping our hands far away from any electronic device, door handles, keypad, etc. Number 4. Asus ROG Phone 3 will be launched globally in July. It should be powered by an overclocked Snapdragon 865 processor and 16 GB of RAM. Number 5. Google has added a new feature to its Google Search Assistant and Maps that allows users to find the nearest coronavirus testing center. It includes 700 testing labs from more than 300 cities. Today's last update is about Lenovo Levi Z550. It has launched world's lightest 13.3-inch laptop with a powerful processor. It is almost 700 grams. It cost almost $1299 US.